We have triple furnace almost, and this shit is crazy. If we can, yeah, we won. There is just one thing that Clash Royale loves to do, that is to fuck us up in the ass by releasing new and broken cards. And कभी कभार तो वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि वो पुराने कार्ड्स को रिवर्क करके डाल देते हैं. Just like this evolved furnace right here. I can't believe they just reworked the furnace and made it even more broken. मतलब वो पहले broken नहीं था. But right now the furnace is actually really a broken card. अब तुम ये जो डेक देख रहे हो एक्चुअली में इसके अंदर मेरे को बेसिकली बजरकर चाहिए आई स्पिरिट की जगह एंड मेरा बजरकर वेयर इज माय लिटिल बजरकर या दैट्स राइट या तो वो लेवल 13 है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इज वी आर गोना यूज द कार्ड बूस्ट पोशन टू बूस्ट दिस. ओह माय गॉड, दैट वॉइस icks me out man, come on. बाकी सारे तो मैं लेवल 14 के ही कार्ड देखेंगे बट स्टिल देखना कैसे हम लोग इस डेक से दिस मिड लैडर को ruin करते हैं बिकॉज या आई एम स्टिल इन मिड लैडर. ओके सो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, माइटी माइनर द बैक एंड बजर करे यार. That this little shit girl, that voice is so much fucking annoying, bhai, I swear to God. And I might just skeletons here for the executioner. And look at that. If you can just, yeah. Oh, that's the dead tower. That's his dead tower. That's the dead fucking tower. And I can berserker here. I didn't really need to berserker, but मेरे को अपनी furnace alive रखनी है just for his next push. And it's dead. That executioner is worthless. And we got his left tower because of really good mighty miner ability. You just log here. I think it misses one. Yeah, एक hit लगेगा या एक hit लगेगा. It's okay. We can get furnace the back. It doesn't really matter now because so हमारा opponent है crayon eater. तुम लोगों ने कभी क्या बचपन में चौक खाया था क्या? Like school. Oh my God, he goes for a battle ram the first play. That wasn't expected honestly, but should be taken countered off. That skeletons were a little bad. मतलब I could have played them better, but still, I can just mighty miner ability. Yeah. Okay, he has the royal recruits right here. I think ये वो royal recruit spammy deck है जिसके अंदर I think flying machine होगी, but our cards are okay. He has for some reason Little Prince वो भी level 13 का. I don't really care about that one recruit on the left because okay, he also has furnace man. Come on. सिर्फ मेरे को हक है क्या furnace यूज करने का? I'm talking. That furnace is dead. If we can just log that. Yeah, that furnace was dead. I mean, our furnace got a really good push. I think अगर हम लोग एक like अगर थोड़ी देर पहले लॉक, this fucking guy just loves to bitch right now. Can just berserker here. I think थोड़ा बहुत डैमेज पड़ेगा हमारी राइट साइड को, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm not gonna respond to that little prince right now just yet because उसके लिए मेरे पास है चीजें. अगर can just log that little prince and he is dead. Now what I'm scared about is his royal recruits. उसके royal recruits थोड़े ज़्यादा खतरनाक हो सकते हैं हमारे लिए, but it doesn't matter. Oh my God, how dare! उसकी next furnace evolved furnace है, so we need to be careful of that. I can just ये here, just go for the, and look at that, why you do not recruit the furnace, why you do not. Okay, उसकी, but I think it's even though it's in a fireball range, I can't really fireball it. Okay, now I should definitely. Wait, that was a wasted fireball. Why did I even fireball it?
Excuse me, don't you know
I could have
who I
saved the
am?
fireball for that little prince, bhaiya. सो या मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि क्या तुम लोग माय गॉड ही इज गोइंग फॉर द ऑल इन पुश। क्या तुम लोग बचपन में कभी क्रेयॉन्स खाए हो या फिर कुछ भी? नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग लाइक वी कैन जस्ट गेट अनदर फर्नेस राइट डाउन हियर। आई थिंक वी कैन गेट ट्रिपल फर्नेस। गाइस दिस इज इनसेन। Can we get his cannon? Yeah, we have. Oh my god, he takes out our furnace. Evo furnace that. I'm tempted to ability, but that's a fat fireball. Penny to mighty miner here. Oh wait, why did I berserker? If I just get, yeah, I get my ability. Yeah, that's nice. So he has his Evo furnace. I didn't realize his Evo furnace already cycle now. Wait on, we might have a good counter push here. Does he have a big spell? Does he have a big spell? I wanna know. We have triple furnace almost. And this shit is crazy. If he can, oh yeah, we won. Wow. I can just thank this guy. And तुम लोग देख रहे हो मेरे ultimate BM is right here. I can just this sound is so annoying. I swear to God. Okay, let's play again. So I just want to show you कि furnace कितनी ज़्यादा broken है. Like my tower was almost gone. I played so badly with fireball and all, and still after that I won just because I spammed 3 furnaces on him, and that too twice in like a game or so. That was crazy, buddy. I can get the furnace here, but oh my God, he goes for wins his first play. Does he have a log weight? अगर इसके पास log weight है, I am sure he is cooked. Yeah, it seems like he has log weight. I think उसके बाकी कार्ड थे कि अगर उसके पास यहाँ पे goblin gang हुई तो I think उसके पास log weight होनी चाहिए, and that's really nice for us. Yeah, it's log weight, definitely log weight. And if he defended our drill so bad, oh my God, he goes for a. I want to punish him, but I am not really sure how can I punish him in this spot because मेरा goblin drill मैंने already use कर लिया. I think I can just get down a berserker on the left side, and I can goblin gang to steal. That was, I think, a bad mighty miner ability. Didn't get anything all, and he just gets away with the rocket. It doesn't really matter क्योंकि अगर ट्रिपल एलेक्सर हिट होता है इस गेम के अंदर, which I think हो सकता है the way he's defending, I think that will be really nice for us. And he is setting up the Teslas. That was a bad goblin drill. Gets fully countered this time. I think मुझे कहीं यहाँ पे place करनी चाहिए, closer to the tower. Should just get my mighty miner down just in case he goes for a rocket or like anything like princess. I'll just fireball his. Oh my God! I'll still fireball the princess though. And I think it should be good damage. Yeah, especially now. Yeah, he does not have any elixir anymore. Nah, he does not have any elixir. Not me, no. Okay, we have. हमने उसकी Evo Tesla निकाल दी, so that's nice. That gets us going on. हमारे पास evolved furnace है अपनी, right here. This should be countered. I'll just. Oh, I didn't even need to log. That was such a nice furnace. Whoa. I think it will get one shot, but it doesn't matter because I have my here fireball for the princess. I think it will hit, yeah. And even if he misses the furnace. No, bro, he does not miss up. You don't miss a furnace, bro. You don't. He just has the right counters, doesn't he? And just fireball. No, I didn't need to honestly go. Log. I think I'm really missing out on the spells. I don't think this guy is winning though. This guy is not winning. So he goes for a bad वो. That's a really bad goblin barrel because मेरे पास वो नहीं था, log नहीं था साइड. So now अब हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? हम लोग ट्राई सिंस अब ट्रिपल एलिक्सर आने वाला है, लाइक 1 मिनट के अंदर हम लोग ट्राई करने वाले कि हम लोग ट्रिपल फर्नेस डाउन कर दें. So उसके लिए we get my god man, can he just stop with this rockets on my tower? Doesn't matter because I'll goblin trail, I'll log here. He can't really stop my furnaces anymore now. एक सेकंड जल्दी मार दिया मैंने. We have another furnace. I don't care if you log bro. मतलब वो fireball. Didn't we just? Am I just not the best Clash Royale player? Like, are we even breaking through to this? Okay, it's triple elixir. Now it's the time. Okay, double lane. Yeah, and that's GG's. That's GG's. That's GG's. That's what I told you. This deck is so fucking powerful, I swear to. You don't even need to do anything, right? Just wait and play, and you are as good as winning. फर्नेस पीछे कर देता हूँ. I don't think और कोई अच्छा starting play in this game. Thing is, I don't really care about that side because yeah, and I can just get my drill, and he's so cooked. Look at that's it. I can just heal. Can just fireball. And how did we give him so much damage? He also has the furnace, but I don't think he has the evolved one. We can just get another furnace going in the back. This time I would try to catch that. Let's go for it. It's okay because we are getting so much damage on our right. I can just switch lanes off with this Mighty Miner ability, and his tower is gone. I'll just pressure the left tower as well. He's pissed. He's pissed. Yeah, he does not have anything. I think he'll log last second. Oh, he doesn't. He will trap. In this Berserker, pressure with the Berserker. That fucking laugh, I hate that card, right? We do get one hit. Can just heal. I think that was not the right play there, but it's okay because we have so much. It's like lost on our left side tower, and with my third cut. I don't think it will be a 2-tower game because of our broken furnace right here, because it will just block both the lanes in a couple of seconds. You will see. क्योंकि देखो, I think अगर मैं सिर्फ एक furnace भी करता ना, it would have gotten everything. Just Mighty Miner here. This here. Just fireball this. Oh, he has a. I do need to. Oh, we get the Goblin Gang also. And oh, fuck, he gets 2 furnaces down. That's not ideal. And we get everything. He's so cooked. He ain't winning this, man, anymore. He ain't winning this. Because even if we get like 1, that's GG's. 1 goblin, it's over. I didn't even need to fireball. And he's pissed because I had the Evo furnace. I'll just give him the CRL number 1. Anyways, I think oh wait, I think we only need one more game. One more game. One more game. Maths is so bad apparently. Anyways, so Goblin Drill हम यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. And he has Lava. But I think Lava के against Furnace should be nice. I think we should Berserker just to pressure. Okay, the Berserker was really bad. I do think... Does he have a lightning? Does he have a lightning? I don't know if he has a lightning or not. I think I should pull this. We don't have anything for the WoW. So we just need to kite it for a... I think this is nice. This is nice. Yeah, this fireball was nice. And everything is fully countered. With just like I think 400 damage. Everything was countered and he wasted his arrows. I'm not really gonna like Goblin Drill on his tower right now because अगर मैं Goblin Drill उसके tower पे करता हूँ then मेरे पास elixir नहीं रहता defend करने के लिए. Just get the Mighty Miner in the back. Mighty Miner से हमारी 3 card cycle on हो जाती है and that's really nice for us. I think मैंने Furnace थोड़ी सी पहले place कर दी. It's gonna go somewhere around here and then it will be hard for me to defend that bullet. I think I can just steer. Oh wait, he has a random balloon in the deck. I mean not random. But I do think we can kite this balloon up to our King Tower. Yeah, King Tower kite is nice. And it didn't kite to our King Tower. But now we have our Evo Furnace. I think अगर उसके पास वो balloon वहाँ पे नहीं होता, I would have gotten a lot more वो. But do we now like use I think we should just... I don't know why I played that first. Yeah, get the furnace going in the opponent. Okay, he decides to defend. I can just Goblin Drill the left side because I have our like and I can just fireball these backs away. So that's good tower damage. And the Mighty Miner should mostly take this out. Okay, wait on. I don't need a fireball here. That was a really bad fireball. But it should be countered, yeah. Thanks to the furnace, it should be. And he gives up. Does he give up? No, he doesn't give up. He is just DMing us. Up. I think that was a bad... Wait on. It might not be just the bad. Yeah, he does give up. He does give up. And that's GG. The furnace is really broken, guys. The furnace is really broken. So... तुम लोगों ने देख लिया फर्नेस कितनी ज्यादा broken. It helped us reach 11,000 trophies, all the mid ladder, but still it was pretty nice. And yeah, we reached 15,000 trophies, just like 11,000. 15,000 कहाँ बोल रहा हूँ? अभी तो बहुत दूर है 15,000, like 4,000. And we can get some elite wild cards there. We have only 18,000 elite wild cards. I wanna level up this cannon mostly because cannon is like a versatile card and वो बाकी decks में भी use हो जाती है. So let's just gamble a little bit here. First of all, we'll just open what we have here right here. 4,000 gold. Thank you, super. Okay. Are we gonna get a 15? Are they gonna 15,000 trophy? Are we gonna get a 5-star here? I'm not gonna look. Is it a 2-star? I feel like it's a 2-star. 3. That's... Nah. That's a one. Thank you, Supercell, again for the 29 bombers. I really appreciate it. 5 gems. They have heavily nerfed this shit. 5,000 gold. Gold at this point ना इन लोगों ने गोल्ड के लिए इतना तरसा दिया ना. I feel like कि गोल्ड भी मिल जाए ना मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है इस गेम पे. Okay. I'm not gonna look. Okay. I think I heard. It leveled up. Yes, I know. It did. Oh my god! I think we can get 4-star. 5-star. Let's see what we have. 46,000 gold. My God, first time I am really happy to get gold because मैं गोल्ड के लिए तरस चुका हूँ. I swear to God मैं गोल्ड के लिए तरस चुका हूँ. मेरे पास 1 लाख गोल्ड आएगा, मैं इस बर्जरकर को लेवल अप कर रहा हूँ सीधा. एंड फिर मुझे 1 महीने तक फर्नेस को लेवल अप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं पास रॉयल फाइनली बाय कर ही लूंगा. सो that's it for the video. I hope you liked the video. Gold furnace is broken as shit. Supercell, you should not nerf miner again. Peace out.